Sure. So Luis Kingsley Mendez, or also known as Loki Mendez. Well, he's such a complex character. He's very deep. First of all, very mysterious, nonchalant, very calm, tahimik lang. Pero at the same time, he's also very intelligent, especially when it comes to doing investigations. At madaming investigations ang gagawin natin for this project, Loki. And then he's very intelligent, he's smart, and especially when it comes to deduction. So, in terms naman, pagdating sa, if I would compare it to my personality, medyo malayo sometimes pag lumalabas yung extroverted side ko. Pero when it comes to my introverted side, so I think I'm an ambivert. Lumalabas din naman yung pagiging nonchalant ko, pagiging mysterious. Kasi I feel like some of us naman siguro, we sometimes feel that we want to be alone, or we want peace, we want quiet. So, yun siguro yung mga konting similarities natin. And yun yung pwede kong pagbubutan sa character ko para mas mabigyan ko ng justice and ma-portray ko na maayos si Loki Mendez. And it's, mention ko lang yung syempre yung si Green Pano, So, very thankful ako sa Viva for giving me this opportunity. And sa Signa, sa TV5. So, very different si Trip Palma kay Loki Mendez. So, grabe yung contrast. And it's gonna be a challenge. It's gonna be a good challenge for me, especially pagdating sa acting. So, yeah, I'm very thankful kay Direk sa guidance. Thank you sa mga workshops natin, lahat ng choices mo. And of course, kay Sir Rin, ako si Abara. Palakpakan naman sa story niya. Napakaganda ng project person. And ayun, so yun yung contrast ng character and personality ko.